Hey, what the hell happened with Timepiece Gentleman? Hey, what the hell happened with Timepiece Gentleman? I don't care. I don't like that guy. He's talking up watches like they're investments. And no, it's not the capri pants or the weasel look or anything else. I just don't like. Either I like you or I don't like you. That's it. And I don't like the vibes coming from him. And I don't like generally he's talking up watches as investment. I get it. It's a sales pitch. I watch a couple of his. It's a sales pitch, and I don't nothing wrong with that. I like a good salesman. I respect a good hustle. However, people every nowadays are talking about watches like I get all sorts of questions like this. Will this watch go up in value? If I say yes, he will buy it. If I say no, he won't. And we are talking about watches as object, and it won't even go up in value that much, and it's never a guaranteed thing. And we are talking less and less about watches as objects that we came to love them in the first place. We don't talk what does this watch is capable of. We don't talk uh, how it's made, and we don't talk those things. We talk, will this go up in value? That's why I'm buying only Rolex, and even some of the idiots on Archie's live stream are advising him to sell his Pateks, and that really pisses me off because Patek Rolex is for the hoi polloi, for everyone. I love it. I am the hoi polloi, so don't get your panties in a bunch. But Patek is a whole different level, and Vacheron AP. But Patek Simple Calatrava has always been my grill, and it's a watch. It's a watches that are simple, time only, but are so well done that it's incredible and it's crazy, and that's what I like about Patek. I do like Nautilus. Nautilus has been my grill watch ever since it was like it wasn't a hype thing like today. Now today it's not. We're wearing simple time only Calatrava that looks like a Timex. Oh, and only connoisseurs, true watch aficionados will recognize that watch. Oh, that's that's something special. That's something special. And Rolex, uh, Rolex wasn't that popular before the artificial scarcity of the watches. Rolex was just every asshole has one. Submariner, literally everyone had one, and it's a good watch. I love it. I enjoy it. However, it was nothing special. It's not today. It's nothing special. It's a well-made, great watch, tools watch, for, but Patek. Patek is whole another level. Ever since I first got into watches, my grail, three grail watches were uh, Submariner, Speedmaster, and Calatrava. And oh boy, I saw a photo somewhere of those three watches, and I just went crazy. And I one of my grill watches is definitely Calatrava. Simple, nice, time only Calatrava. No date, if possible, no date, and I would be happy. And watches like that are not as hyped, and I think if you go and buy today anything that's popular and hyped, whether it's Seiko SKX, because now everyone wants to have one because it's continued and the prices went up, and it's silly. It's a silly watch, and whether it's Mariner or GMT, over retail. Daytonas are in 30K now. Uh, Simple watch, dress watch, I think it's underrated these days. And if you like simple dress watches, I think you're doing well today. But we all like to follow the herd, and people are buying Rolex watches not just because they like watches, they are collectors and whatnot. They're buying them because of the investment potential. So, uh, yeah, what do I think about when I answer the question? Well, what I think about Timepiece Gentleman Stunt? Well, everyone's talking about him, and that's that counts for something in marketing.